Hello. Welcome to a Get Started video. Today we cover Factiva. We'll go over how to access Factiva, what kind of information is available, and how to search for articles and company profiles. Let's get started. Go to the Purdue Library's website to locate our A to Z list of databases. You'll find Factiva on this list. Factiva is a large business information database from Dow Jones, updated daily. It gives full-text access to top national and international newspapers from 200 countries and 32 languages like the Wall Street Journal, plus business websites, newswires, journals, and corporate profiles. Please note that this database only allows a limited number of users at one time. If you are unable to access Factiva, it may mean that all of the available seats are currently in use, and you'll need to check back again later. Factiva opens with the Search Builder page for a somewhat confusing advanced search. Let's instead start with a simple search. To create a simple search, click on the Home button located in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. With a simple search, you have the option to select the source and the date range you're looking for. Let's do a search for Target. As you type in a keyword, Factiva will offer suggestions. We'll choose Target Corporation and search all sources. For the date range, we'll select in the last month. Headlines related to your search appear. You can use the filters on the left to narrow your results further. For example, you can choose to include results from specific sources, subjects, industries, and more. To open a result, click on the title of the article you want to read. It will either generate a pop-up window to the article source website or a reformatted version of the article will appear. Instead of searching for articles about a company like Target Corporation, we can obtain a company profile. Go to Companies/Markets in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Then choose Company. You can look up a company like Target by its name or ticker symbol. We'll type Target. Factiva gives us a company snapshot for Target. It includes general information, stock price activity, business description, and more. On the left side of the page, you'll find links to the latest news, as well as a peer comparison, corporate family, and more. For example, we'll click on Financial Results to obtain quantitative details about Target. In some cases, you may want to search for two companies at once. To do this, hover over the Search button located in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Then choose Search Builder. In the Company Search field, type the name of the company you want to search for, then click on and type in a second company. Both companies should appear herewith and between them. Then, click Search. This list of results will be focused on the two companies you chose. If you need to change your search criteria, click Modify Search in the upper right corner. Factiva can also be a great resource when it comes to today's news. You can see the day's headlines by clicking on Home at the top of the page. On the home page, scroll down to Newsstand US. You can view all the headlines from a source like the Wall Street Journal, or you can browse for more sources. Now you know how to access Factiva, what kind of information is available, and how to search for articles and company profiles. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.